And gentlemen, hashtag for tonight is Rahul wants anarchy. This 56-year-old man has realized that somewhere through the normal electoral process, he has no chance of coming to power. So he has to try something abnormal, Pankaj. So he wants this Nepal thing makes him very happy. You know, every time he sees Nepal, he says, "Ah, mere ko chance hai abhi." Now he says, he starts a campaign, their children and our children, their sons and our sons, their daughters and our daughters. If there is a Nepo kid, it is Rahul Gandhi. If there is a Nepo kid in our country, it is Rahul Gandhi. Now my question is this. These claims in one constituency, 400 votes went away. I think that's why we have lost. That's why I'm a loser. Tell me seriously, Pankaj, I'll start with you. I want to understand this logic. Even Pradeep Bhati is actually trying to laugh, but he's trying to be serious. Priyanka is also finding this funny, but she's keeping a very straight face today. Priyanka, welcome. Aam Aadmi Chief Spokesperson, Pradeep Bhati of the Samajwadi Party, Gaurav Bhatia of the BJP, Deepak Reddy of the TDP. We are fortunate to have great voices with us tonight. But tell me, क्या है Pankaj? This non-serious approach, एक white t-shirt में एक press conference कर दो, agency को बुला दो, you think you are Steve Jobs, walk left and right like you're launching an iPhone, and then say, you know, in this constituency, 500 votes, I don't know why they went, that is why I have lost nationally. ये क्या है? Pankaj, what is this?
So
if votes are hijacked, you have to produce hard evidence, or you have to say, pursued the matter with the election commission. Am I right? You can't come back after 1 year and say, you know, मुझे लगता है कि 500 votes चले गए तो vote चोरी. What is this? It's become a joke, you know. This has become a joke, Pankaj.
all hard evidences. Have you not listened?
No, he is not.
All hard evidences, and there is no reply. Tell me one thing. The Congress candidate from Alan exposed a fraud which was done between November 2022 to February 2023. Then local election commission filed an FIR. On that FIR, CID is investigating. CID wanted to know certain things from the Election Commission of India. They sent 18 letters to Election Commission of India and got no reply.
No, Baba, you got it wrong.
Election Commission of India is blocking. No, I'm not getting it wrong. You are getting it wrong.
No, I never get it wrong.
Rahul.
Oh, Rahul. This is boring. Now, 1 minute.
Entire nation knows your obsession. Knows about your obsession about.
I am not obsessed. I have had one meeting with Rahul Gandhi, which went very well for me. I don't know how it went for him.
This is your. Okay.
You have to understand.
After that,
no, Pankaj, 1 minute. Pankaj, listen. Pankaj, wo chodo. Pankaj, listen.
And how
Pankaj, listen.
Was faked, I know.
Pankaj, listen.
It was not.
Pankaj, I don't know how that interview went. I don't want to talk about it. उन्होंने बुलाया था. I gave an interview. Now I don't know.
It was supposed to be given to someone else.
हाँ तो supposed to आप दे देते ना. मैंने रोका कि प्रणय रॉय को दे दो. मैंने रोका किसी को देना है आप दे दो. मेरे को दे दिया तो मुझे जो करना था मैंने किया. आप देते किसी और को, आपके किसी और कन्वीनियंट व्यक्ति को. अब मेरी बात
and that is what you are doing.
Achha, now listen to me. Let's forget me. Now I'm a very bad person. You have put me in jail. I came out. Now listen to me. 1 minute, Gaurav, I'll tell you. Gaurav, just one.
No, you are not a bad person. You are in a bad company. You are not a bad person. You are in a very bad company.
Anyway, listen, I am in the company I keep. You know, I don't know what company you keep. It's not personal. See, listen. No deletion of any vote can be done online by any member of the public. To say Rahul Gandhi has
Can
said.
be.
Rahul Gandhi has said.
It can
1
be.
minute. ये
What is Form
अरे
7?
यार,
What is Form 7?
अरे यार, listen to me. Please listen to me. Please.
What is
listen.
Form
Please
7?
listen to me.
It can be done.
अरे, you have to understand. It
There was
cannot
an
be done
attempt to
online.
get
It cannot be
40,000
done
plus
online. It cannot be done online. And now when Rahul Gandhi is
Done
saying that
online?
Congress vote, listen to me. No, please. Please don't disturb. After this, I'll be quiet. I'm just getting irritated with this high levels of stupidity nowadays, Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi is saying that mobile numbers from outside Karnataka were used to delete votes in Karnataka and Alan specifically targeting Congress workers. Now, I want to know, how do you know who is a Congress voter before the election or in a polling booth?
Because if
Now, what because if? Logical question, hai na?
youths are voting for the Congress party,
Arey Baba, there is a...
and if you
Arey, votes are...
those 8
Arey,
votes out of 10, it is obvious.
you know, Manohar Kahaniya, this is all very bad. I want Gaurav to respond to this. I'm just
Arey,
saying...
what Manohar Kahaniya, yaar?
You want a Nepal type situation होने वाला नहीं है. It आज flop हो गया. It was a flop. Gaurav is on the debate. Gaurav. And the viewer, the question is, do you think Rahul wants to create a Nepal type anarchy in
Who,
India?
Gaurav Bhatia?
Gaurav Bhatia, yeah. What's the problem? Gaurav Bhatia.
Gaurav Bhatia?
Yeah, Gaurav Bhatia.
Yeah. Is he wearing his pajamas? Is he wearing his pajamas or not? Half clothed, half brand, half clothed, half brand. How can you talk to him?
Arnab, is this the level
I don't
of
know. Who are you calling half clothed? He's fully clothed.
You know, such people come.
At least
they are
on my
paid-
program, he's fully
paid
clothed.
panelist.
Today,
Paid 2
today,
rupees
yes.
and they try to
Today he
divert
might
the topic.
be. Today he might be.
Please, Arnab, when you will intervene,
I've intervened.
just make it a
Diversion?
decent debate.
Just put the
I
question
think
on
I'm
air.
asking,
We don't want a
are you-
Nepal type
are you
situation
wearing
in our
your
country.
pajamas
Pankaj,
today
thank
or
you.
not?
Gaurav Bhatia's turn, then it's open debate. Yeah, Gaurav.
Thank you. So, first of all, Arnab, to the entire country, Rahul Gandhi is an anarchist. So, it is like a saint being charged by a dacoit, and that dacoit is Rahul Gandhi. Second, I was hearing.
You're calling Rahul Gandhi a dacoit. Is the BJP national spokesperson calling Rahul Gandhi a dacoit on my program? Did I just hear the BJP national spokesperson call Rahul Gandhi a dacoit on my program?
Yes, I did. And I will tell you the reason.
Are you intending to clarify that? You're calling the leader of the opposition in the country a dacoit?
No, I don't have to clarify. I don't have to clarify anything. Please. It is Rahul Gandhi who.
I'm surprised the Samajwadi Party and AAP spokesperson are perfectly all right with that. There's no protest. Please note, Priyanka is looking down. Pradeep Bhati is pretending he didn't listen. They're not supporting that. I find that very interesting. Please note, viewers.
Can I
Yeah.
complete? My logic is very simple. My brain doesn't work like Rahul Gandhi's brain, if he has any. I have this to say.
Yes, he's saying India is a dead economy. What you tell Pankaj, come on, respond to Srini. You're a Congress supporter. Respond to Srini. Respond.
What is there to respond? He has colored eyes. He'll say what you want.
Oh, I have called
why you
Mr.
haven't-
Srinivasan from Chennai to
In your question answer session.
Oh, all right, all right. So I have planted these questions.
Because
Prashant
you
calling in
select-
from Karnataka.
because you select
Prashant?
calls that way.
Prashant,
Maybe
Prashant, have I called you? Have I paid you money to ask the question?
no.
These people are all saying that there is something. Yeah.
Yeah, Arnab, good evening.
Good evening, Prashant.
Yeah, पंकज जी, गुड इवनिंग. एक 3-4 सवाल है आपसे.
एक ही सवाल बाबा, टाइम लिमिटेड है, प्लीज.
एक ठीक है. कर्नाटक में कौन जीता है, पंजाब में कौन जीता है, आपके 99 सीट कौन जीता है,
कर्नाटका में कौन जीता है?
ये सब सैटेलाइट से लगा के
Come on.
हैकिंग होके जीता है.
Hacking okay. Priyanka, come into the debate. Priyanka has become very cautious nowadays. She doesn't want to upset Congress.
India to become a Nepal and Bangladesh.
No, I just can't scream over people.
No.
That is my drawback.
नहीं, उन्होंने बोला कि कोई सैटेलाइट से किसी ने हैक करके भगवंत मान को चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाया है क्या? From Karnataka, she is asking a logical question. वो भी हैकिंग से हुई है क्या? प्रियंका, come on, बोलिए. Gaurav Bhatia is there. Tell him.
let Gaurav Bhatia first wear his pajama.
What Gaurav Bhatia? Why are you after Gaurav? What's your problem? Yeah.
FIR was registered by the Election Commission of India acting impartially. So Rahul Gandhi is wrong again. Third,
State
all
Election
information
Commission.
was shared.
State Election
The
Commission.
SP of Kalburgi.
Not by the Election
So
Commission
Rahul
of
Gandhi is
India.
again wrong.
State Election
so
Commission.
3 mistakes. Please do not interrupt. Okay, if you do not know, wear a pajama over your mouth.
What
Please.
pajama? Yeah, what's it going on between both
I
of you
know
on
it.
pajamas?
Arnab,
Kya
I
pajama wala chal?
say in one press conference, so many
First you wear your pajama.
many
First you wear-
falsehoods and propaganda. I don't know why. So only
First
Rahul
you wear
Gandhi
your
can do
pajama.
it. Nobody else.
Half
When we
clothed,
ask
half
questions
brained.
to Rahul Gandhi, why
Half
doesn't he
clothed,
move the
half
court?
brained.
He will not move the court. Why petition? Has the outcome been in their favor? They should tell the viewers.
Correct, absolutely. Absolutely. Bharat from Hyderabad, quickly. 10 seconds, Bharat from Hyderabad, are you there? Yeah, Bharat,
Good
come
evening,
quickly.
Arnab.
10 seconds.
Good evening, Arnab.
Good evening.
Just like quickly summing up, with due respect to all the other panelists, Mr. Pankaj, Mrs. Priyanka, and the other one from SP, these people don't have the courage to speak when they win the election. But every time when BJP wins the election, they call it vote chori. Or
Sorry.
ये वोट चोरी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. अगर आने वाला तमिलनाडु इलेक्शन में कि कांग्रेस अपने आप को बाहर कर देगा क्या?
पंकज जी जवाब दीजिए, पूछता है भारत. कमान पंकज जी, आप निकल रहे हैं क्या? वैसे भी कार्ति चिदम्बरम को वोट नहीं वोट देता है चेन्नई में. Okay, I have to call. Okay, I took the question. Ladies and gentlemen, I think go fight an election, win or lose. Don't be a crybaby. Don't be a crybaby. And that's what I will wrap up the show with tonight.